The 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, traction control, power liftgate, navigation system, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, lane departure warning, tow hitch, backup camera, dual airbags, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.